Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing the mirroring app on your phone and target device, so both run the same release. This reduces compatibility issues. Once done, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi or create a phone hotspot for a direct link. You also need to grant permissions for screen recording, audio capture, and local network access now. These steps let the app discover the target quickly and avoid repeated pairing prompts, so you can move to discovery and connection without interruption. You open the app and tap Discover or Cast to list available receivers. Select the target device shown. Then configure streaming. Choose quality to balance latency and clarity, set orientation, and pick microphone or app audio as the source. If prompted, enter the PIN shown on the receiver or scan a QR code to pair securely. Make sure to enable any high-performance or low-latency mode if you need responsiveness. These settings control how smooth and accurate your mirrored session will feel. You tap Start Cast and confirm the receiver shows full screen and that audio sync is acceptable. If not, pause and adjust audio source or latency settings. When finished, stop casting from either device and save any recordings or screenshots the app offers. If the stream stutters, restart the app, switch to a less congested Wi-Fi channel or lower quality to reduce bandwidth. Also verify permissions and reconnect devices. These final checks keep sessions reliable and give you quick fixes when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.